my name is Camry from Nucleus Raw Foods Wilkes-Barre, and today we are going to be making the YMC-Yay Smoothie. This smoothie has bananas, mixed berry, ginger root, kale, and filtered water, and only takes a few minutes to make. So we're gonna start with our bananas. For this smoothie, for 16 to 24 ounces, you just need one banana. I suggest getting your bananas and letting them ripen till they have little brown spots on them, and then peeling them and putting them in the freezer. The reason for this is because you won't need any thickener to add to your smoothie at all, just the frozen banana. Next, I'm going to add a nice big leafy green piece of kale. Next, I'm going to add in a cup of mixed berries. These berries are raspberry, blueberry, and strawberry. Again, the reason for the frozen is so that you don't have to add ice and you don't have to add any thickeners. Lastly, my favorite ingredient, the ginger root. I have a lot of customers ask why ginger root and how do I use the ginger root. We suggest buying the fresh ginger. This is about 7 grams of ginger. The ginger will also cut the taste of the greens. I'm going to add some filtered water. And again, the bananas and the frozen fruit will allow you to not have to use any additional calories in like a plant-based milk, a cream, or a yogurt. So let's blend it up. And that's the YMC-Yay.